Hello class, this is Robert Smith coming at you from AOC 2. This is week 1 and it's term 1306, and this is going to be my project 1 reflection video. This week we were working with creating our own classes and subclasses and putting them into a little simple application to demonstrate that we understand the material this week. And for what I did is, for my base class I used Apple products, and for my 3 subclasses I used the iPhone, the iPad, and the MacBook Pro. And I'll have you take a look at the base class first. Sorry, computer's running slow. This is the base class. The properties, no, not the properties, but these right here, I'm not sure the exact definition for them, but I guess they are the properties. But I used product name, product type, and set price. And for each individual subclass, like for the iPhone, I used if statements for the calculation to calculate the price. Like for instance, I used a Boolean to tell whether it was a contract, and I used an integer for the generation of the phone, and just used this little simple if statement right here so that it would output iPhone 5. And then basically the same thing goes for the iPad and for the MacBook Pro. And then I put all of them into UI labels using the variables I created to dynamically put them into strings that you're seeing right here on the iPhone. Something I could have done better. This project wasn't done right. I didn't notice it until I was basically complete with it this evening. But there was supposed to be 6 UI labels, basically 2 for each subclass. For instance, I could have wrote the iPhone 5 is a good phone as long as it's under contract, where in this statement, or in this string, iPhone 5 and phone are the 2 variables being dynamically put into the text. But I also could have implemented the Boolean contract and the integer generation in a second UI label. But I tried to hurry up and add another UI label to each one, but just moving each of them around and creating another label I would have ran out of time, unfortunately. But you know, I did what I could. But yeah, that's about it. And that's definitely what I could have done better. Also, another thing I could have done better is I used if statements for all of my functions, and I think the assignment called for using different forms of calculation, so I might have needed to maybe use an if statement for one subclass, use some kind of simple addition or subtraction for the others. But that's definitely something I could have done better as well. This week didn't go as good as I thought it was gonna go. I underestimated this, but definitely won't make that mistake again in this class, and I'll hopefully bounce back next week. But okay, I'll see you guys in the hangout on Monday. Have a great weekend.